Hi everyone, welcome back to German Glow, your place to learn German in a simple and fun way. Today we are going to learn about something very important German grammar, the Satzstruktur or sentence structure. Let's go. This is lesson 5, Lektion 5, Satzstruktur, Satzstruktur, sentence structure. Today I am talking about understand the basic sentence structure. Think the verb can go anywhere. How to create yes/no questions. How to ask WH questions correctly. Let's start with the most basic type of German sentence, a main clause or Hauptsatz. The regular ruler is subject plus verben plus object. Subject plus verb plus object. Yes, it's just like English, just like a sandwich. Subject, top bread, verb, tasty filling, object, bottom bread. In German, you usually can't move the verb around like in English. It needs to stay in second position. For now, remember, always start with the subject, follow with the verb, then add the rest. Object, time, place or etc. Let's look at simple example. Ich. Ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. Let's break this down. Ich. Ich, the subject who is doing the action, meaning I. Lerne. The verb, what is the action, meaning learn. Deutsch. The object, what is being learned, German. This is another example. Wir trinken Wasser. Wir trinken Wasser. We drink water. Wir is subject. Trinken is verb. Wasser is object. I explain about sentence start with the subject. Then I am talking about sentence start with the time expression. Heute lerne ich Deutsch. Heute lerne ich Deutsch. Today I learn German. Today I learn German. Time. Time expression is heute. Heute. First element. This is first element. Verb. Verb. Lernen. Lernen. Still second position. Subject. Subject is ich. Ich moved after the verb. Even when time comes first, verb stays in second. Okay. Even when time comes first, verb stay in second. Okay. Then I am talking about sentence starting with the place. In der Schule lernt sie Deutsch. In der Schule lernt sie Deutsch. At a school she learns German. Place in der Schule at a school verb lernt. Lernt. Subject is sie. Sie. Again, verb is in the second position even though the sentence being with the place. Verb is in the second position even though the sentence begins with the place. Now, let's learn how to ask yes or no question in German. Ja, nein Fragen like do you speak German? Are you tired? Do you live in Berlin? In German, it's actually very simple. You just move the verb to the beginning of the sentence. The sentence structure is Verben plus subject plus object. Verb plus subject plus object. An example, lernst du Deutsch? Lernst du Deutsch? Do you learn German? Do you learn German? Lernst. Lernst is verb. This is first person. Du is subject. This is second person. Deutsch is object. This is third person. So instead of saying du lernst Deutsch, you flip it to the lernst du Deutsch to ask the question. This is another example. Wants to in Berlin. Wants to in Berlin. Do you live in Berlin? Do you live in Berlin? Wants is verb. This is first person. Do is subject. This is second person. In Berlin. This is object. This is third person. Now let's learn how to ask question using WH words. in German. Fragen. Fragen, they are a question that can't be answered with yes or no. You want information like when, where or why. The structure is Fragen plus Verben plus Subject plus Object. WH word plus verb plus subject plus object. An example, one lernt du Deutsch. One lernt du Deutsch. When do you learn German? One. One is WH question. When. Lernst. Lernst is verb. This is second person. Do. Do is subject. Subject is third person. Deutsch. Deutsch is object. Okay. The verb is still in the second person. Even in caption, that's a golden ruler again. Another example, was machst du? Was machst du? What are you doing? What are you doing? Was. Was is W caption, we fragen. This is first person, machst. Machst is verb. This is second person, do. Do is subject. This is third person after verb. This is summary of today's lesson. German sentence follow the basic order. Subject plus verb plus other elements, place, time, or etc. In main sentence, the verb is always in the second position even if you start with time or place. To from, yes, no questions begin with the verb followed by the subject. Okay. WH questions start with the question word, then the verb, then the subject. Okay. Again, German sentence follow the basic order. Subject plus verb plus other elements. In main sentences, the verb is always in the second position even if you start with time or place. To from, yes no questions begin with the verb followed by the subject. WH questions start with the question word, then the verb, then the subject. Okay. That is for today's lesson on German sentence structure. Keep practicing, keep building new sentence, and remember the verb in second person is the golden rule. If you learned something new today, give this video a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends who are learning German too. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.